Hello everyone. We'll continue with the topic of the limitation and barriers of e-commerce. The limitation and barriers of e-commerce can be classified into technological and non-technological limitation. These limitations need to be addressed when an organization or businesses want to implement e-commerce into their organization. Okay, we'll see the limitation of e-commerce on technological. Okay, we will see the list of the limitation here, where the lack of universal standards for quality, security, and reliability, insufficient of telecommunication bandwidth, an additional cost of e-commerce whenever a special web server are needed, the difficulties of integrating the internet and e-commerce software with some existing application and databases. Software development tools are still evolving. Internet accessibility is still expensive and inconvenient for some other countries. Order fulfillment of large-scale business to consumers requires special automated warehouses. For the non-technological limitation, security and privacy concerns deter customers from buying. Lack of trust in e-commerce and in unknown sellers hinders buying. People do not yet sufficiently trust paperless, faceless transaction. Online fraud is increasing. Many legal and public policies issues, including taxation, have not yet been resolved or not clear. National and international government regulations sometimes get in the way. As we can see here, the non-technological limitation here, mostly from the perspective of the customers, the consumers, where there are still consumers who not trust the transaction over the internet. Thank you. That's all for our topics today.